Hi, I'm going to show you how students can use Acrobat AI Assistant to refresh their memory on a course topic. I need to do a quick review on a paper I read on the Roman Empire a bit ago and get the overall idea before the next class starts in just a few minutes. I can do this right on the web at acrobat.com. I'm logged in and I've got the paper I'm studying open. To get a quick refresh, I'll go to Generative Summary. Generative Summary gives me a quick overview and an outline of the document, and gives me the ability to navigate to key sections in a single click. Each of the dropdowns includes a short summary of the section, and jumps to the corresponding location in the paper if I want to read more. With just a few minutes of scanning, I'm feeling up to speed and have a view of the big picture, saving me a lot of time. If I need to get specific answers, I can ask AI Assistant questions. For example, I saw that political instability was a topic in the summary, so I'll ask AI Assistant about what those challenges were. AI Assistant comes back with an answer, with references that I can verify and learn more, which gives me confidence that the answer is correct. I remember seeing a table with key data on the population over time, but I'm having a hard time remembering when the population was the largest. AI Assistant finds the table, analyzes it, and gives me an answer with important details. AI Assistant saves me so much time and helps me refresh my memory. I feel more prepared as I walk into the next class. Study review shortcuts for the win.